Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2015 for 2 marks in set 3. Basically, this question is based on to finding the view factor, which is one of the topic of radiation. So let us understand the question. The question is, a solid sphere 1 of radius r is placed inside a hollow, closed hemispherical surface 2 of radius 4r. Now here you have given one solid sphere. This is a sphere, right? The first surface is sphere, right? And of radius r. Therefore here the diameter will be 2r. Let us say for surface 1 we can say r1 is equal to r, right? Then when the surface 2 is hemisphere, closed hemisphere, here you can see it is a closed hemisphere, right? Of radius 4r means diameter is 8r, right? Therefore here radius r2 we can write r2 is equal to 4r. Then the shape factor f221 is from 2 what will be the 1, right? The shape factor f221 will be question mark, right? Now my dear students, here 4 options are given. Let us solve this with the help of reciprocal theorem. First of all, now 1 is a sphere. Therefore, for these spherical surfaces, the heat of 1 will not come back to the 1. Therefore, for such surfaces, F11 will be equal to 0. That is, the view factor of 1 with respect to 1 will be 0. Right? And we have one summation rule. That is, 2 is enclosed. That is, here 1 is completely enclosed in 2. Therefore, my dear students, we have one summation rule, that is f1 to 2, f11 plus f1 to 2 is equal to 1. Summation of all shape factor with respect to any one body is equal to 1. 1 is 0. Therefore, we can say f1 to 2 is equal to 1. That very important. Now, again, we have reciprocal theorem. Let us apply here reciprocal theorem. Reciprocal theorem says that area of 1 into f1 to 2 is equal to area of 2 into f2 to 1. Now, with the help of this theorem, we can calculate f2 to 1, right? Because here question is to find f2 to 1. Now, my dear students, let us see the area. Now, the area of 1 in contact with 2 is a circumferential area and it is a sphere. Therefore, we can say the area 1 will be equal to, for sphere, the area is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r1 square, right? Area 1 will be 4 pi r square, that is 4 pi r1 square is equal to 4 pi r1 is r, 4 pi r square. Now let us find area 2. Now for 1, what is the contacting area or area in contact for the radiation of 2? Now this half area of sphere is in contact, this half area of sphere is in contact, right? As well as it is a hemisphere, therefore at bottom, at here, there will be a circle like this, there will be a circle like this, definitely, right? This circular area is also in contact with 1 for the radiation heat transfer, right? Therefore, my dear students, for this 1, the area of 2 which is in contact is this hemisphere, half sphere area, as well as this circular area. Therefore, area 2 in contact with 1 for the radiation will be equal to, that is 4 pi r2 square divided by 2, that is hemisphere area, surface area, plus circle area, that is pi r2 square. Circle area is pi r2 square. Therefore, we can say a1 we have seen 4 pi r square. a2 is equal to, here 4 by 2 is 2. Therefore, 2 pi r2 square plus pi r2 square. It is 3 pi r2 square. Now r2 is nothing but 4r. Therefore, a2 is equal to 3 pi 4r square. Therefore, it will become a2 is equal to 48 pi r square. Now let us use these areas, area 1 and area 2 in this reciprocal theorem. Therefore, reciprocal theorem is a1 f1 to 2 is equal to a2 f2 to 1. Therefore, area 1 is 4 pi r square, f1 to 2 is 1 is equal to area 2 is 48 pi r square into f2 to 1. Therefore, here pi r square will get cancelled. Therefore, this f2 to 1 will be equal to 4 divided by 48, which is equal to 1 divided by 12. This will be your answer, because here EF 1 to 2 is a question. So my dear students, your answer is option A, that is 1 by 12. Now again they may ask you what is the safe factor of 2 with respect to itself. Now if the same question is extended, what is the safe factor or view factor of 2 with respect to itself, means EF22 is equal to question mark. So if question is to find EF2 to 2, let us use the summation rule again, that is EF2 to 1 plus EF22 is equal to 1. Therefore EF22 will be equal to 1 minus EF2 to 1, and EF2 to 1 is 1 by 12, therefore 1 by 12. Therefore EF22 will be equal to 11 by 12, right? But here question is to find EF2 to 1, therefore for this question answer is 1 by 12, that is option A. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.